Okay, so here we are. Where are we, Liz?
We're at Mount St Leonard, I think.
Mount St Leonard, that's right.
Yep.
And we've taken the dogs out for a walk.
Yep.
So we've got Cameo, Liz's dog, and Jojo, my dog. Jojo, come back here.
Jojo, come here.
So this is an introduction to our channel where we can have lots of adventures. So this is Liz.
Hi.
And I'm John. Or Ringo, whichever you prefer. When I ride the motorbike, I'm Ringo, am I?
Is Ringo on the bike?
Jojo, come back here.
John.
Jojo.
Not on the bike.
But yeah, we're just going to have lots of fun, and we're hoping that you guys will come along with us too.
Come along and join the ride.
Join the ride. Oh, she's so cute. Jojo, come back here. But yeah, if you like it, please like the videos that we're going to post and subscribe and come along, because we're going to have lots of fun and adventures on the motorbike, in the bush, lighting fires.
Just simple things, just
Just
out
simple,
there,
outdoor
enjoying
things.
life, just
Yeah.
little adventures. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. That's
Bye.
it.